In this video we are going to tell you how to export PDF file in IGiS CAD. Use command print. For export PDF file, select the printer as per your requirement. In this video we are select IGiS _V printer. Select the paper size as per your requirement. Specify the print area as per your requirement. If you don't want to offset your drawing on page, select the center on page option. Click on preview. Click on print for export this file as PDF. Select the profile to PDF/A. Then click on save. Enter the file name and click on save. You can see here PDF file has been exported. Thank you for watching this video and explore more at www.igiscad.com.